Hey guys, welcome to the first video with the FAR Digital Media. I'm excited that you're here. In today's video, we are going to be talking about affiliate marketing, how to make money from this. I'm sure you've heard it on YouTube, TikTok, and other social media sites about affiliate marketing. Everybody can make passive income from affiliate marketing, but how do you do it? So that's what we're going to be talking about today. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. And if you guys do, hit that like button, subscribe. So I'm excited that you're here, guys. This is the first video on this channel, and let's just jump into this. So let's go here. So affiliate marketing, we're going to be doing it, like I said, a beginner's guide for this. So if you're just starting out and you don't know where to go, this is going to be the video for you. So first, what is affiliate marketing? So affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services through a unique affiliate link. When someone makes a purchase, like signing up, you can earn commission. You're pretty much just like a salesman for these companies. The reason why this is so incredibly powerful is because nowadays we can reach thousands, if not millions of peoples, and even if we have like a 1% conversion on a million people, that could be a lot of money. So in simple terms, affiliate marketing is using a link designed for you so the company can track your performance and then pay you the commission you earn. Like I said, you're pretty much just a salesman for companies here. So pretty much what I would do if I was just starting out here is this. I would choose a niche. I think you need to pick a niche or niche that you're passionate about and that have products that people are willing to buy. Popular niches are like health and fitness, technology, finance, fashion, travel. The reason why this is so important is because you need to ensure that the niche has a good balance of demand and competition. You do want competition and search volume. You want something that people are actively searching for and people that are willing to buy for, pay money for things. And a lot of these sites here, we'll actually move on to the next one here. You need to work with like affiliate programs. So affiliate programs are companies that pretty much offer it. Not every company you come across is going to offer a affiliate program. What I always recommend doing is search up the company maybe you want to work for and then put affiliate. And most of the time it'll be the first or second link that does pop up here. But in general, some basic ones are going to be the Amazon Associate. So this is great for promoting physical products that people can actually buy. I use this every single day. I think it's very, very important. And the reason why I love it is because right off the get-go, you guys, even if you're like a YouTuber or a TikToker or a smaller influencer, you can put your camera in there. You can put your computer you use. You could use the software maybe you use to edit the videos. A lot of people, when they come to YouTube or wherever they're looking for, they are either looking for, one is education and two is entertainment. So if they can learn how you edit your videos or the camera you use, they are just more inclined to buy it. So Amazon Associates is great. Another one is ClickBank. ClickBank is going to be ideal for those digital products. So like I said, software you might use, stuff like that here. Then we have ShareAScale, which offers a good variety of products. We have CJ Affiliate, which provides access to some bigger brands. And you also can sign up directly with companies that offer the affiliate program right on their website. Company I've used in the past here is GoPro. This is a easy example. All you have to do is go on GoPro affiliate, and this is going to be the first link that pops up. Now, how much money do you make? It really all depends on how many sales you convert. Like I said, you're going to be a salesman for these companies here. So with GoPro here, you guys can see you earn 3%. So if you sell $100 worth of products, you're going to get $3. So on like a $300 camera, that's going to be, what is that? $10 or so, whatever it is. You also get continuous product launches, deep linking, and another thing that I've used in the past is if you work with bigger brands for partnerships, you can kind of look at your affiliate and say, hey, we've had great conversion on some of these videos. How likely are you to send me a GoPro and I'll put a link in it, and we'll work out a deal like that. So affiliate programs are really, really important, and great ways to make passive income, because once you get that video out or whatever you choose to do, and we'll talk about that here next, then it's gonna just continue to roll in as people buy it. So how do you go about having an affiliate company? Pretty much. So you're going to need to create a platform. So this could be a blog, this could be a YouTube video, YouTube channel, any social media, so Instagram, TikTok, and then the last one is email marketing. So we'll start from the top, blog. If you are just starting out and writing a blog, there is a ton of free options out there. And one that I recommend for people that are just getting started is going to be the YouTube or the Google Blogger. It's very, very cheap. It's very easy to get started with that. And more importantly, the reason I love it is it's low cost. You can do everything you need to, so you can have, great product reviews, you can do guides, and then taking it a step forward would be like a YouTube channel. YouTube channels are great because it gives a face to the brand, so you can make video reviews. When I actually started out and I was doing a lot of affiliate work, what I would do, because I was very, very poor, so to speak, I would actually go to Walmart, buy it. This sounds bad, but I would go buy like headphones to do a headphone review, open it up, test it out, make a video, and then go return it. That's what I did. It wasn't good. And nowadays, I'm a lot more fortunate, where I can actually work with brands and they can send me stuff and stuff like that. But, you guys can easily do video reviews, tutorials, or even unboxings is another great one here. With social media nowadays, Instagram, you can make a niche for fitness or for technology, or even just do unboxing. There's unboxing channels. And even if you are so off spectrum and you are a construction channel, you could do drills, you could do equipment you use. So the biggest thing is just seeking out those opportunities here. So and obviously a Facebook does work well. The last one is email marketing. Email marketing is going to be a little harder because you're going to have to build an email list. So you're going to have, in my recommendation, I would start with the blog and kind of work your way down through a YouTube channel. And then with your blog, you can build that email list so you can send, links directly that way. The next thing here is content creation. So blogging, you need to do, like I said, like product reviews, comparisons, or how-to guides. YouTube videos, make engaging videos that explain how to use the products, why they're beneficial, and include the affiliate in the description. Obviously, all other social media, share visually appealing posts or short videos showcasing the products. The biggest thing that everybody has is they want to do it, but they don't want to put in the work. And I think that with YouTube and all these other sites, it's like going to the gym, right? I think consistency is going to be the best thing for you. So, with a YouTube channel, if you post one video and you put a link, you probably won't get any sales. If you do 2 videos, you probably won't. But somewhere along the line, just like going to the gym, right? If you go to the gym once, twice, you're not going to get in shape. But the more you go, the more consistent you are, the better off, the healthier you're going to be. And just like with content creation, the more you post, the more engagement, the more people could see your content here. The last thing here, or one of the last things, is drive traffic to your content. So to make money with affiliate marketing, you need people to click on your affiliate link. So you also can drive traffic by using SEO, which is search engine optimization. So you can optimize your blog, your YouTube videos for search engines. So using keywords is very, very important. Like if I was going to do this, I'm going to title it Affiliate Marketing for Beginners. How to use affiliate marketing, something along those lines, where it's a very easy title and great keywords. Next thing here is social media. Share your content, right? Engage with your audience with YouTube videos. Comment back to people. Get people to know you. Build up sense of humor and stuff like that. The last one is going to be paid ads. Personally, I wouldn't recommend it if you're only going to use it for affiliate links. but you can still use it. Paid ads like Google ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads to promote your affiliate links. And later in the channel, as we get down the road, we're going to be doing full videos on these, so stay tuned for that. Hit that like button and subscribe there. Track your progress, right? Figure out what works. You guys can use tools like Google Analytics, YouTube Analytics, or even with the affiliate company you work for. I know with Amazon Associates, you can track the clicks, you can track the conversions. So what this does is it helps you figure out things that work and things that don't work, so you can focus on the things that are working. So you can track your sales, your commissions. This will help you understand, like I said, which strategies work best and optimize your content here. Optimize and scale. So in order to scale these types of brands and companies, you need to create more content, target different keywords. You can partner with different affiliate programs. And the last thing is build that email list to stay connected with your audience here. So that is it for how to get started with affiliate marketing. We're going to be diving in on these specific niches, and using like YouTube, Blogger, all of that. So if that stuff seems interesting to you, make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Take care, everyone.